So, another day, another problem with the 335D. Let me go ahead and show you the problem. See that? That's the problem we have. Thankfully, we're sorting that out today. So let's go. So today we have a little problem with the car. When I unlock it, hold on, let me. So that's it unlocked, but as you can see, the light's not coming on. There's little welcome lights over here. And of course at the back as well. So there's a problem with it, which is the battery. The battery is like flat and things like that. Well, the battery is not flat. What was I saying? The battery is like low. Well, I recorded it earlier, but I guess it won't come up again. But there is a increased discharge battery warning light coming on there. So luckily we are going to fix that today. But I've already said that. Over to the part that's causing the problem, this battery. So we're gonna be replacing that today. I bought a new one, and yeah, should all be good. This is the side panel that goes right there. I'm no mechanic, but yeah, that's that. Let's see how it goes. So it'll probably won't come on because I need to turn it on in the settings. Yeah. But
just start up for me again. Make sure everything's alright. There should be no messages on your car.
No messages, no.
Now fire it up.
And yeah, it starts a lot
Quicker.
yeah, quicker, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about, the welcome light there. I turned it off, but now I need to turn it back on, and then I will check again if the welcome lights work. But anyway, that was a quick job. Hopefully I recorded most of it. I don't think I recorded most of it, but and yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Also gotta set up the time now. Damn it, man.